those spools are coming in at about 1 kilogram per 1 kilogram per spool.
So what's that, $5?
So you're talking about
20
$2,
or
yeah.
So you're saying
it's about
2
20
cents a
bucks.
gram for $20, and that's our base right there, right? Or that's no.
That's an average, I think, just 20 bucks. Some are a little more expensive, some are a little cheaper. So, and unless we get like a
2 cents.
one vendor, then it might vary. You might find something
So
cheaper.
so do you want to go ahead and use the flat rate as the profit, and then the weight as our covering the cost? And then we're considering, once we have money to buy prime for the year for under the club's name, under the account, because right now we can use it. I mean, like half of us have prime, but eventually you want to make that
Just make sure that eventually we get it into our bylaws.
Yeah,
That's what we're gonna do, so that way I don't have to keep reinventing the wheel with whoever comes in next.
Yeah, we'll need to have that in the bylaw that we take that we use we use some funds for the club's hosting and website domain name, and then for the prime account. That way we can just I mean, once we leave,
It's $99 a year, right?
something like that.
Should we go up to $99 a year?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, I wish we could, use our student emails for that part, but that's
You
just not
graduate,
right now.
it's gonna close.
Huh?
Your email close when you graduate.
Yeah.
Well, we
So
can always, you guys always have me though. Because you're gonna come back and teach everyone what you learned when you're gone. You just don't know that yet. That's why I need that Jonathan guy back, wherever he went. The one that does all the 3D rendering.
that's Jeff.
Jeff. Go Jeff.
Actually,
His
that
previous
reminds
life.
me, I need to go ahead and email everybody that the printer's here. I mean, I've used Slack, but I'm guessing nobody's noticing.
Checking it.
Yeah.
Or just get their cell phone number and text them. Send a massive text messages using Google Voice. No, you
Have you not
know,
had it in one group already?
It's also
Google Voice
awkward when someone replies not knowing that they're replying to everybody.
Well, my S6 tells me conversation, so I'm just saying. Dude, how do you guys standing here all day? I cried already, my feet are hurting.
I mean, I'm always walking because I'm taking the bus, so I'm used to it.
I'm kind of pampered now, sorry.
I'm thinking about competing against the bookstore on what they sell.
We're into I'm just saying, look. That always reminds me of that Key and Peele where they're looking around and they're talking about their wives. I was like, no, I'm on lunch. So no, keychains. I really want to do keychains.
Yeah,
They don't sell keychains.
I've checked only on Riverside one. They sell keys on Riverside, so and they don't have pencil holder, pencil case. That's what I saw. They don't have any pencil case in bookstore. They have
I guarantee you if Riverside doesn't have it, they're all linked, so
um I saw some index card holder for $3. Maybe we could print for $1.
Also business card holders. I've seen it.
Yeah,
Go
but we
ahead
can
and list.
personalize the business cards. So we can do what every great company does, they part and parcel their shit out. So we can make a holder that goes like this on the outside, the part that you see, with the high base in the back for the cards to rest. And in that groove, we just happen to have your initials or your department name that fits into that thing, that fits into that dimension, that will clip right into it. So maybe it has like a little, it goes like this, and then maybe it has a little like rectangle, and finishes off a little curve, and then that's where we would stick.
Can you draw it?
Yeah.
The notebook?
I
I'll
forget
work.
what this is for. Whatever we're gonna use it for.
Yeah.
Right now it's notes.
Alright, so here's a couple things I say. So like a battery box for double A's, like this would help in our projects. Business card cases, cable holders. So basically it's a clip that like you can like add some tape to the bottom of it, or a magnet, and you put it somewhere, and then you can just go ahead and clip that cable so it's not hanging and stuff. It's literally attached to whatever. Cable management knife, so you can put all your cables in there. Chip bag clips, like these are all things that both would work for ourselves and
This would be
to sell. So like this is a customized holder for peglers, you know those? customizable case as rectangular so we could fit new SD cards, whatever, etc. This is basically the same thing, but like you see how they have the individual ones as well as like packs. So I say that that would work good to send, like to make for Stan or something. To get enough money, like get enough money to just offer that, or they can
Sell it.
request it.
Sell it to them.
Yeah. So customizable U-look. It's basically like there's a couple of them that will attach to the back of the cars, the back of the seats, have those things. And you just like hang up a grocery bag,
Oh,
grab or
okay.
something. Then I say some stuff
Does
for
that make
like
sense? I know my reading is kind of hard.
for like the drums and stuff. I think this one's like a definite thing right here. You see?
What's that? Oh, money.
Yeah, it's like a little capsule thing that they can see. Look, I thought this one was great.
Pipes? I mean,
A wallet?
It's like a little
a
capsule.
cigarette holder? I mean, yeah, for money?
Yeah.
We can do that?
I don't know, cause like all these things have certain licensing. Like this one's non-commercial actually, but there's these other ones that will have. Yeah, it's really.
I want lightsaber.
But I mean, we can always recreate it. See this one right here, Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike. But I just really want to contact each person who requests it if they're comfortable allowing us to do that.
That's good to see. And it gets them to create more stuff too, because like, I'm a creator.
I think I saw this one. I thought you'd love it.
What the hell is that?
It's a mouse operated mouse.
Print that out, man. If we can. I don't have a student that needs it right now, but.
So it's for disabled students, disabled people that they can use they can use a mouthpiece basically to work at.
So if they're quadriplegic, quad meaning four, meaning plegic meaning doesn't work, so they have to use their head. Some of them blow into a tube, depending on the, hopefully they don't smoke, but depending on the pressure that they put, tells the computer what to do. For other people who can't even, are so quadriplegic that they can't even use their facial expression, their eyes will still move, so the computers even go off the eye movements. And then they basically train the computer, the software, like what to do. And actually, there was a story about it, some little kid got his stuff jacked. I was like, dang, that sucks. So they left it in the car, because they took him to whatever, went to McDonald's or whatnot, because they already knew what he wanted.